MFN. Fees and step-downs explained. Precise English for side letters. Heard of MFN but not sure what it means? In plain English, an MFN, most favored nation, clause promises you'll get the best terms that any comparable investor receives. If someone else negotiates lower fees or better reporting, you can elect those benefits too. It's commonly tucked into side letters so investors keep parity without rewriting the entire agreement. An MFN can protect your fees, your information rights, and your reporting access, so you're never left behind when the deal improves for others. Think of it as a built-in fairness upgrade. If a better deal appears, you're eligible to match it. Side letters let parties customize terms for specific investors without amending the whole agreement. That means tailored rights, like extra reporting, while the base fund or JV documents stay intact. They're standard in funds, joint ventures, and licensing, because different investors bring different needs or constraints. An MFN clause inside a side letter works like a mirror. It compares your terms to others' terms, whether granted in the past or in the future. If someone gets a sweeter deal that falls within the MFN scope, you can elect those terms and maintain parity. Understand the fee stack. Management fees pay for operations. Performance/incentive fees reward returns. Your MFN should cover both. Don't miss the fine print. Waivers, rebates, and offsets effectively reduce what you pay and should be included in comparisons. Nail down the fee base. Is it committed capital, invested capital, or net asset value? And specify timing. When fees start, accrue, and adjust. For example, 1.5% on invested capital, quarterly in arrears, with a 50% offset for monitoring fees. Clear definitions prevent surprises and make MFN elections straightforward. A step-down is a built-in fee reduction triggered by a defined event, often time-based, after year 3, size-based, AUM crosses a threshold, or milestone-based, final close. Reductions are usually expressed in percent or basis points. Example: management fee steps down from 1.75% to 1.25% after the investment period. Draft precisely. State the start date, any waiting period, how long the reduced fee lasts, and the end conditions. If the threshold is later lost, does the fee step back up? Spell it out so your MFN can accurately capture equivalent reductions. Get 3 pillars right. Scope. List which terms are comparable, fees, reporting, co-invest rights, and which are excluded. Governance seats, regulatory-specific accommodations. Population. Define whose deals count, same fund or vehicle, same class, same jurisdiction, or only non-affiliated investors. Mechanics. Require notice of eligible terms. Set a clear election window, e.g., 30 days from notice, and state the effective date for adopted terms. Precision here keeps elections clean, avoids disputes, and ensures you actually capture the benefits you negotiated. Watch for ambiguity. Vague triggers for fee step-downs invite arguments. Define metrics, dates, and data sources. Don't be silent on gross versus net fee comparisons. Say whether you compare before or after waivers, offsets, and rebates. Name exceptions clearly, like terms given for regulatory requirements, seating arrangements, or to affiliates, so they don't unintentionally expand MFN rights. Also specify whether unique side arrangements tied to strategic distribution or minimum ticket sizes are in or out. Clear carve-outs keep the MFN focused and enforceable. Use defined terms and cross-references so readers know exactly where calculations live. Quantify whenever possible. Numbers beat adjectives like reasonable. For example, write, "Notice within 10 business days," or "Management fee reduced by 25 basis points after final close." Add examples to remove ambiguity, an appendix with a fee table or simple scenarios, showing how waivers and offsets apply over time. Example: if NAV falls below X, fee equals 1.0%, otherwise 1.5%. Concrete drafting makes MFN comparisons easy to administer and hard to dispute. MFN helps you capture the best available terms other comparable investors receive. Fees and step-downs require exact triggers, clear bases, and explicit timing so elections map correctly. Tight scope, defined population, and clear mechanics. Notice, election window, effective date are your dispute preventers. In short, write with numbers, define exceptions, and add examples. Do this, and your MFN won't just look good on paper. It will actually protect you when better terms appear.